In this video, I'll show you how to connect some wired headphones to your Quest 3. I have tried to connect Bluetooth headphones and there's still a bit of a lag. So the best solution, I think, it's still to use some wired headphones using this 3.5 millimeter jack. So how to do this? Very easy. You see on the Quest, let's say you're wearing it. On the right side over here, you're going to have a small jack. And all you have to do is to connect your headphones over here, put this on your head, put these in your ears, and you're done. You don't need to activate anything in the menus. It's all gonna work automatically. And obviously you can set the volume over here with these buttons or in the Quest menu as well. So this is it. This was a very short tutorial showing you how to connect your wired headphones on your Meta Quest 3. If this was helpful, please leave a like, comment down below and subscribe.